Is your production floor running on paper and whiteboards? Do you struggle to track and plan inventory? Do you know which jobs are making you money or bleeding margins? Welcome to a quick demo of Steelhead, the ERP built to power margin and growth for fabricators and manufacturers. With Steelhead, you get full visibility, real-time data to see fast and act faster, efficiency, streamlined systems to move parts, not paper. Let's put your shop on Steelhead's digital production floor so you can see what this looks like. So in the Watchtower, as a production manager, you can see your entire shop at a glance, know what's on time or at risk, and answer, "Where are my parts?" without ever leaving your desk. Don't waste valuable time hunting for parts or paperwork. Everything is always right in front of you. Configure your own views and use the search and filters to pinpoint specific jobs to see where they're at in their processes. But first, let's walk through an example job, how it moves through Steelhead from quote to cash, unlocking that visibility and efficiency and helping you get ahead. Creating a new quote, saved customer data pulls in automatically, addresses, contacts, terms, and more. Enter data once. No more copy-pasting the same information across disconnected systems. Save the quote, and within the pricing section, let's select our dolly assembly. It pulls in a view of every line item that needs a price, as well as the quantity of each piece required to complete the assembly. This example is quite simple, but you have the ability to input very intricate hierarchy. If you receive BOMs from your customer, we have importing abilities to speed up the process as well. Parts are labeled based on whether they'll be fabricated in-house or purchasable. Easily add and remove components to customize the build. With purchasable items, the last purchase price and markup percentage will pull in for you. And for fab in-house, you can do a detailed build-out of pricing to include each material item and labor step, with Steelhead auto-filling information for a highly efficient process. Or if you're pricing high level, you have the option to input totals as well. Add any part number files if needed. Then you can run through the rest of the item prices, and by the end, we've built a detailed, accurate quote. Send your fully configurable, automatically generated professional quote PDF to customers via email. You can preview it by clicking here, and all these details are auto-filled based on your needs. All that's left to do is click send. Once your customer approves the quote, move it to the next stage. And of course, we don't want to re-enter data, so we'll just convert this quote into a sales order where it flows into production. Add your PO from the customer, and again, everything else is auto-filled. Click Save. Change quantities if needed, or just go ahead and save, which brings you directly into your sales order. Here you have an overview of important info. You'll see your quoted items attached here, but let's click into the manufacturing tree next. Here you have a full overview of the status of this order. The system tracks every step required to fulfill the job. So starting with the purchasable wheels, it actually shows we have some free stock, which I'll show you how to claim, but in case you need to order more, just click the purchasing view, select any parts or cut stock that need to be ordered, and create a new PO. Doing your purchasing in Steelhead, you gain thorough tracking of where things are at, helping you keep appropriate amounts of inventory on hand to stay ahead of incoming job requirements. So back to the manufacturing tree, we can quickly claim inventory needed for this job. It'll auto-select batches available. The sections start to turn green as you complete steps, giving you full tracking of everything happening in real time. We will cut and drill the dolly base, and we have the option to cut the handle blank, but we have plenty of handles on hand, so click to claim those for this order. Again, change the batch if needed, and save. Now, generate work orders for everything that's left. You have the option to make changes or just click Save. You can set routes for each part or leave it to the operator to choose stations. Save here. Now you see the blue showing we're all planned here. This releases actions to the operators and unlocks that real-time visibility and data with Steelhead's digital production floor powered by the workboards. Steelhead is built for efficiency and ease of use. Operators get dynamic communication on what, when, and how to do their job. Each operator's dashboard view is fully configurable. Here we set up a cut backlog containing all jobs that are ready for cut plans, then the laser cut and cutting table stations as separate cards. This backlog is organized by material and due dates to help you prioritize jobs. So let's plan a cut for the dolly base along with anything else grouped here to optimize time. In the Create Plan dialog, Steelhead pulls a list of matching stock that can be used for these cuts. Select and drag the parts into the stock you want to use, or you can use the wand to auto-plan all parts. Any material certs could also be linked to the order to be sent with the final product. Save and track drops, which opens up your drops dialog. Oversight and efficiency are built in at every step. Information autofills, click Save Drop. Then you'll see the overview of cuts you're planning along with the drops to be tracked back into your inventory for using on future cuts. Choose the station where the cut will happen, then save. This brings you back into the cutting operator's workboard where cutting can now start. Then, once cutting is finished, come back and save. The job moves on to the next scheduled station while cuts you made are saved as inventory for their assembly. Next up, the drill team will open their workboard, grab that top priority job, it auto-selects the planned inventory that was just cut for this job, save, then move parts into the drill press where your labor timer will auto-start. If I'm a new operator or I'm seeing parts that I'm not super familiar with, I can click on the green dot. Moving tribal knowledge into accessible places for operators at every relevant step, your operators save time and can stay focused on the job in front of them. And there's the timer ticking. Finishing up on the drill press, scroll down to the specs section to submit the spec results, then click to move the parts along. And as parts move through each step, let's go back to the manufacturing tree where you'll see those real-time updates reflected with the green. And if you do outsourcing, it fits right in as another step in the process, configured to the way you run things. Parts would flow into your outsourcing dashboard where you have complete traceability on everything. No more scattered notes across spreadsheets or questions about where things are at. Easily create POs, send emails, receive parts, and they'll go right back into your process. Then, returning to the operator workboards when the job is ready, let's take a look at the assembly workboard. You can see everything in staging here, what jobs are ready for final assembly, and the progress of each subcomponent. Just click or swipe when a job is fully ready, confirm the input part numbers to be used on this assembly, move parts into your assembly station, and get to work. If there are any quality issues at any point along the way, operators can easily click to log a non-conformance right from here with the quality management dialog. Notes and actions can easily be documented, the parts are put aside and flagged in the dashboard, and the operator continues work with the next priority job. After assembly, swipe the job to ready for shipping. But before we look at shipping, let's look at our margins by going back into the sales order and clicking into the margin report. When time is money, you need every job, every part, and every process to drive your bottom line. Through every integrated piece of the software, Steelhead automates cost tracking in real time. Everything is broken down for easy viewing, and all the margin percentages are calculated for you. Use the margin report to make informed decisions and shift workload as needed. You know exactly where you're winning and where to adjust. That's how shops running on Steelhead have experienced a 17% increase in revenue year over year. Now opening up the shipping dashboard, select your jobs that will ship together. Click Create to enter packing slip details. Click Finalize, which opens up your shipping email. And if you're sending any MTRs, they can be attached to this email as well. Send that. Then once the customer comes to pick up their order, click the job for signature and complete. From there, the job flows straight into invoicing and onto accounting. Unlike generic ERP systems, Steelhead is built to thrive in the chaos of high-mix manufacturing, giving you full visibility for you, your team, and your customers with scalable systems built for maximum efficiency. Get ahead with the ERP that powers margin and growth for fabricators and manufacturers. Learn more at gosteelhead.com.